So you ask, what is a bobbin and how do you thread it? Well, I'm going to show you on a brother at home sewing machine. It's very simple. Do not stress out. Let this be the easiest part of the process. If it stresses you out, it might not be for you, mama. But it's not that difficult. So let me show you. Let's go. This is your bobbin. Okay, without the bobbin, which secures the lock from the bottom, you got your needle coming in from the top. You've got your bobbin coming in and looping into that. And then when the needle pulls up, it locks the bobbin. So you create your lock stitch. Bobbin, very important. So let's thread it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just go ahead and put your bobbin on the bobbin wheel. It's the one right directly here. The bobbin is placed. It's in a taut position. Good. Place your thread. And then we're just going to follow the dotted arrows for this one, which is saying this is where your bobbin thread needs to go. Okay, that's going to be a problem. Oh, perfect. No longer a problem. So we're going to go up behind, cross over to bring some tension, come through here, right? Now you're going to get your bobbin. You're not going to want to thread the bobbin from the outside to the inside. You want to thread the bobbin from the inside to the outside. So that way when it's winding, it will wind to the inside of the bobbin. Okay, so now you're ready to wind the bobbin. Hold your thread from the outside. Actually, you might want to just pull it to make sure it's tight. Get it out of the way. And push to the right. And then slowly with your presser foot, start pulling the bobbin. Going to get rid of this, and we're just going to go slowly. I suggest to do the bobbin slowly, even though it seems mundane. You don't really want to throw off the main thread spool by going too fast. So just do it slowly. You're good. So you're done spinning the bobbin. What's next? Okay, well, you're going to take the bobbin off. You're going to go ahead and just trim a little bit, leave a tail. And then that initial thread that was, threaded out of it, you are now going to want to trim off because it's no longer necessary. And then we place the bobbin. So let me show you how to place the bobbin. Placing the bobbin. Every machine is going to be slightly different. However, they all pretty much have the same exact scenario that you need to do, especially the at-home ones. You just hold onto your thread, drop it down, and then there's going to be a tiny, tiny, tiny little ridge, usually to the left. And you just want to make sure you push your thread through that ridge and then pull out and to the left. And then just leave it like that. Your seal plate. Push your seal plate back in. Again, every machine's seal plate is going to look a little bit different. For example, this brother machine has a little bit of a straight one, whereas this machine has more of an oblong one. So we've technically spun our bobbin, which is amazing, and now we've placed it to prepare to sew. So we've come to the conclusion of this video, spinning the bobbin, and in the next video, we're going to thread the machine, and I will show you what to do next to get that extra bobbin thread from the bottom to the top to be sewable. So let's go.